What is going on, everybody? Hi, how's it going? Welcome back to the Lock Shed. Keybeard in the Lock Shed, and we got a very fun lock picking today. I'm gonna pick Deep Marks by Lockchuck. Very fun challenge lock. I gotta be honest, I've already picked it open last night. Here I was, late at night, sitting in the lock shed, in the dark, alone. Okay, not in the dark, I had lights on. And I was getting a little bored. I was checking out some new stuff I got in the mail, some new tools. And I was like, I gotta pick something. And there it was, staring at me from afar. On my lock shed table, Mr. Deep Marks. And so I'm like, alright, I'll pick it open. So I picked it open. Didn't gut it yet. So we're gonna pick it open on camera. And we are going to gut it, hopefully, if I get it open on camera. Alrighty. So, let's get the show started. Get it all situated here. Zoom in on that core right there. There you go. The key is fully mummified. I like this little design he's got going on, all nice and 3D printed. The only way to pull that key out is if you take the key ring out and the key will slide out. So let's try to pick it open. We're going to use top of the keyway. There we go. And let me get a better shot here. Hold on. Like that. There we go. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, I like it. All right. So I'm doing like moderate tension. And I feel pressure on those 4. Couple good clicks on 4. Look at all those clicks on 4. That was 3. Nice deep falset going. Feels like 1. Well, I think I overset something or something dropped. Oh, there we go. Let's go back to 1, make sure we're good. Let's see. That might be a little feedback on that pin. Let's see if I can get it. Counter rotation. Oh, I just dropped everything. There we go. Okay. So I'm kind of starting all over again. Okay. Going back to 1 is binding. I did fall into a steep falset here. Probably hence the name, Deep. That one's binding, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. Is that more on 1? No? 2? really feeling anything jumping out at me saying, pick me, pick me. Just drop something. Let's see here, I might have just overset one. Yep, touched something. That was a nice deep false set now. And feels like can't seem to get underneath that pin. What's going on here? There we go. There we go. Set that guy up. Okay. Ooh, this guy again. There it is. Okay, so this is what I kept doing last night too. It's open, but if you look at the tailpiece right there, let's see if I can do this. If you look at the tailpiece, it's hitting my vise. I was playing with this thing. I probably opened it multiple times last night thinking that that was a super deep false set. But no, it was, as a matter of fact, it was just the tailpiece was in the way. All right, let's gut this thing and see what we got. Don't do that. All right. I unplugged my microphone, hoping, because I think it was about to die. So if the sound's pretty bad, I'm going to set this right here for a minute. And I'm going to attempt to switch out my microphone and see if this works. Alright, we got a blue. There we go. Plug that in. Let's see what happens. I don't know if it's actually working or not. It's okay. Well, let's gut it. Let's see what happens here. Let's unzoom. And come on down like that. There we go. Looks like I need... Oh, wait. There we go. Looks like I need a Phillips. Like a tiny little Phillips. Oh, wait. Yeah, here we go, here we go, here we go. There we go. Little Phillips right here. There we go. Here we go. Lockchuck, by the way, great challenge lock. It was actually, it's a lot of fun. A lot of deep sets. I'm guessing there's some type of spoolage in here. And just like that. Zoop. There we go. I'll set him right there for a minute. There we go. Let's take a look. We have some counter milling on 2. Looks like some counter maybe on 1. So let's take a look here. Set that the right way. There we go. 3, 4. Oops, I'm showing you guys. 5 and 6. All right. Let me organize these guys a little bit. Nice looking pins we got coming. There we go. All right, let's take a look at this guy. I think he's only done something onto 2. Looks like some counter milling. That's milling that's been done to the core. All right, let's get those top pins out. See what we got. Let's see what we got. Starting with chamber 1. Oh yeah, I can see where the name Deep's coming from. Oops, come back here. There we go. Drop that spring. Oh yeah, a little tiny spring. There we go. Chamber 2. And the spring. There we go. I'm going to zoom back out a little bit. There we go. Chamber 3. Nice. Another, that might be a double spring. Oh, just a regular spring. Okay. Let's start from the back here for a minute. Chamber 6. Ooh, tiny. Interesting, interesting. There we go. I'll show you guys here in the end. Spring 6. Chamber 5. That's a standard. Oh, it is not a standard. It's hollow. There we go. And chamber 4. Like so. There we go. Drop that spring. Perfect. Okay. Let's take a look at this core. Let's see. I don't see any type of threading. That might be some counter milling on chamber 1. That's really nice. He went from the top here, which he grubbed back up and then ground off so you couldn't get through it that way. Really cool. All right, let's take a closer look at these pins. This one might be the wrong way. This one has to go this way, I think. All right, so we got a nice little tiny spooled T-pin, I would call that. On the key pin, we have a standard, serrated. Looks like a serrated. Another type of spool key pin, a standard, and oops, there we go. And for the top pins, we had a really deep spool, a very nice thin ledge for the bottom. That'll grab that counter milling pretty nicely. And we got some nice round-headed, kind of like a spool. We got a serrated, another type of like spool T-pin kind of thing. Looks like a standard, but it does have a hollow inside of it. I think it was in this way, so that was the shear line. Lockchuck, if I'm wrong, let me know. And then this little guy, we have a very thin, almost like a screw serrated, like how he hollowed, he kind of bored out the top there. And there we go, yeah. And looks like all the springs are the same. So there we go. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope I have volume through all of this, or sound, because I had to switch out my microphone real quick while still recording, because I don't want to, you know, I can't stop, and then people think I didn't do this right. But there it is, Lockchucks number 1 challenge lock. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Send me some comments. Send me some love. All we need is love. I don't know. I probably shouldn't sing songs because YouTube might be like cancel or whatever. Whatever they do. I don't know. I don't know the rules of YouTube. I'm new at this. I mean, I'm almost at a year, but we'll find out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy picking, everybody.